Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video I have created this Raksha Bandhan look which is really very easy, simple and glam at the same time. Guys, I always make new videos for you guys which is really very easy. So subscribe to my channel and yes, now let's get into the video. So guys, we'll start with the skin prep and for that I'm going to use Jove Skin Toner in the variant Rose. Guys, this toner is really very nice. It smells really very rosy and I have just spritzed it all over my face and I'm just tapping it so it absorbs into my skin and it looks really very nice and healthy. And after that we are going to use a moisturizer and for that I am going to use Pond's Gel Moisturizer. Guys, it smells amazing and it feels really very light on the skin. You guys can see how nice and hydrated it is looking right now. I am just applying all over my face and then slowly I am massaging into my skin so it absorbs and I get a smooth finish also. Next we are going with the foundation and I am going to use Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. Guys, hands down to this foundation, it is full coverage and this is the first time I'm using this and I'm just in love with this foundation. You guys can see how nice and flawless my base is looking right now. Oh my god, wow. And then I'm going to conceal my face. So I'm going to take Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I'm in the shade medium. This is slightly light for me but it's okay, it highlights as well. And I have applied on my under eye area, on my T-zone and near above my jawline. And then I'll be taking a beauty blender and this is from Plumi and I'm just going to blend the concealer really very well so I get very nice concealing effect. So now guys, we'll set the under eye area and for that I'm going to use a loose powder and for that I'm going to use Bharat & Doll's loose powder in the shade 02. It has slightly yellow tint to it so it literally brightens up my under eye area. Also I'm just rolling the brush all over my face which has some powder particles in it so it sets my face also. I have just baked my under eye area and now I'm going with the bronzer and I'm going to take Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Guys, this is my cult favorite bronzer and I love this bronzer. I'm just applying on the hollows of my cheeks and on my jawline area also, so it gives me more sharper and chiseled look at the same time and I'll look more slimmer. Yes, so I'm just applying it really very well. Also I have applied on my nose so my nose look bit sharper and then I'm just taking the clean brush and I'm just blending it really very well so there won't be any harsh line as such or else it will blend at the same time. And now we'll move on with the blush and yes, say with me guys, my favorite blush is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 01 Peach Peak and I'm just applying on my apples of the cheek and I'm just blending it with my bronzer. Just pat and you will get that nice glowy finish. Guys, we are moving with the eyes and I'm going to take my favorite palette which is Rose Gold Chocolate palette and I'm just going to take the pink, the lightest shade from the palette and I'm just going on my crease and all over my eyelid area and you need to just blend it really very well. Just pat the color and then just merge it really very well, guys. So now we'll go with the brown shade, a bit darker from the pink shade and we are just going to apply on the outer corner of the eyes, that is the outer way of your eye and you have to go just middle of your eyelid. You just don't need to exit till your inner eye area. You have to just pat the color really very well and then you just need to blend with a fluffy brush and I'm just going to do the same thing. As you guys can see, I am just patting the color and I'm just blending it really very well so it looks all merged and seamless and you get that very nice eyeshadow look. Also I'm dragging the color a bit outwards and then we are going with the lash line and I'm going to take the same shade, the brown shade we have applied on the outer corner and then I'm taking the golden shade from the Makeup Revolution palette This is basically my highlighter palette, and I'm just going to apply the golden shade on my lid. You guys can apply on your inner corner or your outer corner till the outer corner. That is perfectly fine. And I'm just blending with the pink eyeshadow, and you guys can see. Also applying the highlighter on my brow bone area. So it looks really very nice and poppy and glowing. Moving with the brows, guys, and I'm going to take L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. I'm just taking a spoolie and combing my hair at one direction, like upward direction, so I get the place where I need to fill my brows. And then I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm filling my brows area. Basically I'm keeping it really very natural, because guys, I like my brows really very natural and thick kind of texture to my brows. And you guys can see I'm just filling it really very lightly and just doing my another brow. And yes, I have took a kajal. This is from Bonjour, and I have got this from Dubai, like my aunt got this. And yes, I am just going on my eyeline area, and I'm not dragging it till the outer V. I have just took till the end of my eye. And then guys, I am applying the kajal on my lower waterline area. We are just going till the middle of my eye. We are not going till the tear duct area. So just apply it gently on your eyes, and then with the same flat brush I'm just smudging the kajal really very well, so it gives me more nice smudgy look with my eyeshadow. You guys can see, you just smudge it really very nice. Don't hurt your eyes, guys, just do it really very softly. Just drag it little out so you get a nice pointed winged eyeliner look, guys. And I'm just taking an eyelash curler. This is from Vega, and I'm just curling my eyelash really very gently. Don't hurt your eyes again, guys. I have got this from my Nykaa sale, and if you want to guys just have a look on my Nykaa sale haul, then you guys can go and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And then I'm just going with the mascara, and I have just took the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and just coating my eyelash really very well, so it gives me more feather like finish to my eyelash. And you guys can see how nice and open my eyelash are looking right now. The best part, the glam part is here. I'm just applying the highlighter, which is from Makeup Revolution. And yes, I am just dusting the excess, and we are going to apply it on the high points of the cheeks. And you guys can see this highlighter is totally a bomb. Yes, it is my absolute favorite, and I have just applied on my temples. Also, I have just applied it really very well on my cheeks, so it lasts all day long, guys. Just apply on your nose, the bridge of the nose, your cupid's bow, your chin, your forehead also, because that is the best part. When you click a photo, it shines really very well, and just blend it really very well, and you guys can see how nice, glowy and shiny the highlighter is looking right now. Also apply on your brow bone. And yes guys, we are done with this look. And lastly, we'll complete this look with a lipstick, and I'm going to take this pinky mauvey nude shade. This one is really very nice, guys. Don't ask me the name because it is a street shopping, and I just absolutely love this shade, the color of the lipstick. And it is a matte lipstick, but I have applied the gloss, so it looks a bit shining. And with this, the look is completed. I wish you guys love this look. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I wish you guys a happy and safe Raksha Bandhan. Love you.